Welcome everyone. Today, let's dive into Ansible Host Files. Think of them as your master list of machines ready for automation. Instead of managing systems manually, Ansible gives us the power to define and control them seamlessly. These files tell Ansible which machines to automate, like a backstage crew running the show. Stick with me, and soon you'll be organizing hosts like a pro. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. An Ansible host file is basically a list. Think of it as your address book for managing remote systems. Each host is neatly identified using names or IP addresses, grouped logically for better automation. Once set up, Ansible can execute commands remotely without breaking a sweat. It's like having a personal assistant who never forgets where your servers are. Ansible stores its host file in the default location, /etc/Ansible/hosts. But hey, don't feel boxed in. You can override it with custom configurations. The file format is straightforward, using either INI or YAML, making it easy to read and modify. Think of it like setting your home address, but sometimes you prefer working remotely from a coffee shop. Why settle for defaults when you can customize? You can create your own Ansible host file anywhere, using INI or YAML format. Define groups, set up variables, and tweak configurations as needed. Customization gives flexibility, like choosing between coffee or tea, but for infrastructure. Host files have a simple syntax. List hosts using names or IPs, define groups in brackets, and add variables under each host. It's like writing a to-do list, clear, structured, and incredibly useful for automation. Let's make it as effortless as ordering your favorite snack online. YAML is like the friendly neighbor of configuration files, simple, clear, and easy to work with. Unlike other formats, it's human-readable, so no need to decode hieroglyphs. Proper indentation keeps everything tidy, and keys help define variables efficiently. It's a must-have for automation, especially when using Ansible, making life easier for administrators. Think of static inventory like a guest list for a dinner party. You manually list who's coming. Dynamic inventory, on the other hand, is more like a social event where people show up based on availability. If scalability and flexibility are your thing, dynamic is the way to go. But if you like keeping things simple, static inventory works just fine. Testing your host file configuration is like checking your parachute before a jump. You want to be absolutely sure it works. Running a quick ping test ensures connectivity, and double-checking syntax saves you from embarrassing YAML typos. Running test playbooks, that's like rehearsing for a big show, better safe than sorry. The Ansible inventory command is your backstage pass to understanding your setup. It shows all hosts and groups, making troubleshooting a breeze. Whether you're using static or dynamic inventory, this command helps you verify things quickly. And the best part, you get outputs in friendly JSON and YAML formats. Managing host files is like keeping your digital workspace tidy. Organization is key. Group variables help streamline configurations, and regular updates keep things accurate. If you're handling a large setup, dynamic inventory is your best friend. Stay structured, and your automation will run like clockwork. Troubleshooting isn't glamorous, but it's necessary. First, check if all hosts are correctly listed. Sometimes it's the little things. YAML syntax errors can trip you up, so always double check. Connectivity issues. Ping is your best buddy. And don't forget the debug module. It's like shining a flashlight in a dark cave. We've covered YAML formatting, inventory management, and troubleshooting. Now it's your turn. Implement best practices, test your configurations, and keep experimenting with Ansible. Automation is a journey, not a destination, so keep learning and refining your setup. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.